Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Dave & Buster's gift card to apps. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in daveandbusters.com, and once you enter you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now what you need to do is log into your account. Tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then simply just sign into your account. And once you sign in here, you'll be seeing your power card option. What you need to do is just simply select that, and once you select that, here what you need to do is just enter in your card number. Once you do that, what you need to do is just simply click on that get your power card. Now the next thing is to just enter in your credentials like your name, your last name, and then enter in your bank details as well. Once you are completed and done with all that process, all you gotta do is just verify, and once you have verified your account, you will be able to use membership or gift card in Dave app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.